I got a little bit of a surprise, I guess. What's up, Mogul fam? How are you guys doing today? This is AB with the Mogul. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I got a little bit of a surprise, I guess, for you guys today. So pretty much I decided to sell my Jeep, and right now I'm actually going to be heading out to Santa Clarita to deliver my Jeep to the new owners. The funny thing is they're actually YouTubers too, so I'll tag them in this video, and you guys could follow them too and see what they're gonna do with this car, this Jeep. Not a car, a Jeep. Sorry about the noise, guys. There's a lot of stuff in the back because I'm giving them my summer doors and all this other accessories that I had with the car. So I've had this car about 3 years, and I love this. I love this Jeep. It was a great vehicle. I had a lot of fun with it. I had a lot of good times. But you know, sometimes it's just time to go. You know, you just got to get something new. And right now I'm thinking of adding a sports car into the video. Well, we already had a sports car, but I'm trying to put another one. If not, maybe a very sports sedan. So seatbelt, it's always a good idea to put it on. I've had some good times off-roading, making videos with it for YouTube. You know, just overall some good road trips. But sometimes, you know, you just got to make changes in your life, look forward, and maybe in the future I'll buy another Jeep. I don't know, we'll see, because there's a Jeep truck that's coming out, and maybe the diesel. I don't know, we'll see what happens. The future is, you know, just wide open, so anything goes. Right now I'm looking into buying either the McLaren, maybe the Acura NSX. Worst case is Panamera 4S, because I'm thinking about getting maybe a 4-door, because just practicality wise on a daily driver, or the AMG GT Roadster, which is kind of tight for me. It's a little bit of a smaller car, but that's pretty much my options. Let me know in the comments, comment below, and let me know what you guys think, what car I should get, and what kind of videos you guys want to see more of. So Artie's gonna meet me over there because he's gonna pick me up. I'm not gonna have a car anymore, so I gotta figure out what I'm going to be doing next. As I said about those cars, I guess I gotta Uber everywhere until I buy the next vehicle. Artie, you better not forget to pick me up from Santa Clarita. I'm waiting for you, man. Well guys, as you can see, we just got here to First Credit, or First Entertainment Credit Union, where I'm going to meet the family who is going to be buying this Bad Habitz Jeep. Well, what can I say, guys? I gotta give it away. So I actually just met Tim, who's buying the car, his karate teacher. He has a Jeep too, and he said that it's a pretty badass Jeep, and it is a badass Jeep, Bad Habitz. But yeah, giving it away. One of those moments, guys. Here, another walk around. Last probably video of my baby right here. But what can I say? Life goes on. New beginnings. That's right. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Check out the next vehicle that's going to be lining up into our channel. It's going to be a little bit of a surprise, but we'll see which one it's going to be. I told you a couple names of vehicles, so hey, at the end maybe it could be a Prius, you never know. Let's go inside and see what's going on. It's kind of 105 degrees outside, so I really don't want to be outside right now. It's crazy. Santa Clarita, desert. Same thing as LA. Let's go and see inside and see what's up. No cameras, guys. I gotta turn off the camera. I'll talk to you guys later. So pretty much I signed all the paperwork and I'm done. Jeep is gone. Now waiting for Artie. Maybe go to the Jeep. Well, I'm waiting for Tim and his family to come out also. So I show them everything on the car and just, you know, part ways. But it's a cool moment, I guess. You know, now I gotta go car shopping. That's the fun part and the most headache of them all. But yep. Where are you, Artie? It's hot outside and I'm hungry, man. Well, congratulations.
Congratulations to you. Thank you.
This is Tim, guys. He just bought the Bad habits.
I've got bad habits now.
Yeah, he has bad habits.
See me
It's
cruising
virus.
around. And now the transfer of money.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Well, guys, let's go check it out.
Now, are you a little sad at all?
Oh, believe me, I'm a lot sad. I just don't show it, but you know, it's.
Because I'm thinking I got to get rid of my my Avalanche I have, and I'm like, I miss my Avalanche.
Yeah, it's.
I won't miss it when I'm driving this.
Yeah. Is that your karate teacher over there?
Yeah, yeah, that's his Jeep. Very nice.
The stuff is back here.
Oh yeah, we're gonna see what you got.
Hold on. It's all in there, so I just hacked it. The
Oh cool, you got the card.
everything's in there.
What's up, guys? Finally came to pick up the homie AB. His Bad Habits Jeep is gone. These are the new owners of the Jeep. Tim right there getting the full-on explanation of all the options and all the sirens and everything that was put on the Bad Habits Jeep. So here you go, guys. The last few minutes of the Jeep JK. This thing was a great experience for him. He did a lot of off-roading on it. He had a lot of fun with the Jeep guys, Jeeps of SoCal. But Tim's taken over. These guys are YouTubers as well. We'll put their link up in the video if you guys want. Subscribe, they're family YouTubers. Here's AB saying his last final goodbyes. Tim, you're on TV, national TV.
Hello.
He is the new owner.
The new Bad Habits owner.
There you go.
You need your keys.
AB, what do you want to say? Your last words to your baby.
Yeah. Say goodbye.
Well, it was nice driving my Jeep, but you know, there's always got to look forward towards the future. New beginnings, new cars.
New beginnings for both parties. So
Yes.
Tim's taking over. He's gonna enjoy it.
Care of it.
He's gonna take care of it. His daughter is impatiently waiting at home to go on a Bad Habits to a birthday party. So guys, like I said, they have a YouTube channel. We're gonna put up the link if you guys want. Subscribe. Actually, do subscribe. Give them the support. You'll see the Jeep on the channel. And there goes that. Abe, say bye.
Peace. There goes my baby. Goodbye, Bad Habits. Bye. I'm hungry. I gotta go eat and then decide what I'm buying.